In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the Rail Planner app on Android. This app is an essential tool for anyone planning to travel by train across Europe. It provides schedules, route planning, and real-time updates. So, let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android device. You will recognize the Play Store by its colorful triangle logo. Once you tap on the icon, the app will load, displaying a vast array of applications available for download. This is important because the Google Play Store is the safest way to get apps on your device. Make sure your device is connected to the internet to access the store. You will see various categories and recommendations, but we are focused on searching for one specific app today. Next, tap the search bar at the top and type Rail Planner. As you type, suggestions may appear below the search bar. This feature helps you find your desired app quickly. It's a straightforward process and ensures you're looking for the correct app. Make sure to spell it correctly to avoid confusion with similarly named apps. You will notice the keyboard appearing on your screen, allowing you to enter the app name seamlessly. Once you finish typing, look for the search icon and tap it to see the results. Now you will need to select the official Eurail/Interrail Rail Planner app developed by Eurail BV. Scrolling through the search results will show various apps, but you want to ensure you are choosing the one with the correct developer listed. This matters because downloading the official app ensures you receive accurate information and updates directly from the source. Look for the logo that represents the app, which usually features a train theme, making it easier to identify. Tapping on this app will take you to its detailed page. Next up, tap Install. This button is typically located in the top right corner of the app's page. Once you tap it, the download process will begin. You will see a progress bar indicating the installation status. This step is crucial because it initiates the downloading of the app files to your device. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a few moments. Rest assured, once this process is complete, the app will be ready to use. After installation, you can find the Rail Planner app icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. This means your app is successfully downloaded and installed. You can tap on the icon to open the app immediately. It's always exciting to launch a new app, especially one that can enhance your travel experience. Remember, the first time you open it, you may need to grant permissions for the app to function properly, such as accessing your location for better routing. And that's it. You now know how to download the Rail Planner app on your Android device. With this app, you will have essential tools at your fingertips for planning your train journeys across Europe. Enjoy your travels and feel confident in exploring new destinations with the help of this app. Safe travels,